and welcome on board Carnival's newest ship, Mardi Gras! Today we want to give you a tour of the features found at WaterWorks, the onboard Waterpark play area, which can be found in the ultimate playground zone. Let's get started!
So the main attraction here at WaterWorks Onboard Mardi Gras are the three big water slides. You can see the loading platform up at the very top up there. You come to the stairs. The stairs to access the slides are actually within the water splash areas. You feel water flowing around, the soft padded floor, and you head up these stairs to go to all three water slides. So you have Blue Lightning, which is the mat racer slide, Orange Thunder, which is the trapdoor drop slide, and Twister, which is the standard tube body slide. And you have height indicators here for all of those different slides. So 42 inches tall for Twister and Blue Lightning, 48 inches tall for Orange Thunder. And you need to remember your mat for Blue Lightning, which can be found right down there on the rack. So once you have your mat, or you're doing Orange Thunder or Twister, you can proceed up the steps here to the loading platform. All three slides. So you just follow around here, and they will kind of call out for orange or yellow. It's obvious who's doing blue because you have a mat and you're off to the one side. But for orange or yellow, they'll call out because some people aren't doing orange, they're doing yellow, and you kind of have to wait. But that sort of thing. And then there's safety information along the way. Maximum weight is 300 pounds for all slides, and only toilet trained children. There are no diapers allowed. You can't have loose articles. If you're gonna film on a camera like a GoPro, it needs to be on a wrist strap. No chains. Eyeglasses can be worn with head straps. Typical stuff like that. And you see the marked stairs continue on, up, into the actual loading platform. So most would consider the yellow slide, the Twister, to be the tamest of the three, as it's just a standard tube body slide. Next up in intensity level would probably be Blue Lightning, the mat racer, because you're going face forward and you're going pretty fast on that one. And the most intense, probably by far, Orange Thunder. Most of it is just a standard tube body slide, but you do have the capsule you have to enter with the trapdoor. The floor falls right out from under you, and then boom, all the way to the bottom. Now, aside from the three main big slides, they also have two here called the mini racers. These are just for kids. You cannot be an adult of a certain size and go on these. As you can see, just standard little small red slides, but it's cool because they're constantly filling with water, and it makes a reservoir that you splash into down at the bottom. And here is the information for the mini racers. No running around a horseplay, of course. One person at a time. Max weight is 150 pounds, 36 inches minimum height, 54 inches maximum height. And you just come up the little stairs here and take the slide right down to the bottom. Now, in addition to all of the water slides, they do have some fun little spray features, like these sprayers that you can move and twist and point in different directions. They have these little cone buckets that fill up and dump. As such, they have sprayers going out over the top. They have these little turn wheels, interactive play features. Look at that, turn that, the jets come on, off, on, off, on, off. And then they have this cool water wheel here. Down below on ground level, they have some more interactive play features, like the pipe. It drops the water, goes to the trough, runs down the different levels, and it has these little dams you can pull up and play with. Another wheel here that you can turn. I think this kind of messes with the water pressure there coming out of the pipe. So again, just interactive features. This is the landing area of the slides, the three runways for the big slides there. You have a water spray feature built into the floor, as well as the umbrella water fountain here, or waterfall, mushroom type. And then you hear the bell ringing. That's for the giant power drinker up there. It fills up and fills up and fills up, and then it jumps off the ramp as such. Just like that. Lots of fun there. There's additional sprayers and spray guns over here as well, so you can kind of go up the steps, take the bridge across to the other side as well. Last thing of note here, they do have freshwater showers here on both entrances on this side, starboard side, as well as port side over there.
That's gonna do it for today's tour. We hope this helps you prepare for your sailing, and we also hope you check out the rest of our videos from Carnival's Mardi Gras. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!